Hello everyone, this is your Ravi welcoming you back to one more episode of Explorer RN. It's been a long time that we have seen each other, and I'm sure that you are seeing me in your complete health and well-being. We have crossed 100 crore vaccination mark, which is a great achievement for a country like India. Anyway, coming to the topic, I am in quite a remote and rural areas of India, and this particular land is full of mountains, valleys, lake, rivers, farmlands, and everything. It's completely green in and around me, basically. And going through this land and exploring, it's gonna be a very thrilling experience. I don't know where we are going, but definitely going to an unknown destination is always challenging. The biggest challenge here is going uphill and downhill. The land is not, a flat surface. That's going to be really take a toll on me. Going there by bicycle is again a challenge, and we are going to explore it. With me, you are going to be there. Let's enjoy this journey. Hello, friends. As I told you earlier, that there is no plan as such, but the plan is to visit a dam site, and that is something which is approximately 10 to 15 kilometers away from this place. The dam is basically a lifeline for the people living in this area. The dam is probably maybe a full with its capacity being a monsoon season, although there is a transition that has already happened from monsoon to winter. Anyway, let's find out the dam site. For the timing, enjoy the journey. One more thing to be noted here is small drizzles and probably heavy showers are also expected, but hopefully those showers or anything, something like that will not stop our adventure. So let's get started. On the way, I just came across of one of my father's friends. He is almost close to 80 now, but he has so much of enthusiasm working in his own fields. He has spent his whole life in city like Mumbai, but after retiring, he has completely focused on the farm, and he has been working. You can look at him. He's still in the farms. दादा काय करताय?
गवत काढतोय.
गवत काढताय?
हा.
जेवण वगैरे झालं का?
नाही अजून.
नाही झालं? जेवायचं ना मग आता?
आता जेवायचं ना 2 वाजता.
वेळेवर जेवत वगैरे जा.
हा.
बाकी काय म्हणता?
इकडे बस
मजेत?
गहू
गहू इकडे मागे लावलेला आहे. These are all Rabi crops which are coming up right now. Fine, the Kharif season has gone. Those crops have already been cultivated. Fine. He is a person who is very much hardworking. I am already on the bridge, and this is the river on which that particular dam is built. I have swum in this river quite a lot of time, and we'll have to just get going now. I have come to a crossing where there are 3 roads are coming together, and I need to find out which way goes to Urmodi Dam. I found out this fellow. Urmodi Dam किधर है? This way, Okay, so I think he's telling me that way I will have to go, and I will find that Urmodi Dam. Anyway, thank you, my friend. There is a dam wall visible right now, and I think I am closer enough. Maybe some more distance to kilometers to go. That's the dam site. I have reached the village which is at the foothills of that dam, and the village name is Parari, and I'm moving on. Someone asked me what dam produces. This is what we get: fishes. Then there are crabs. I think the crabs are missing here. The crabs are very tasty. Basically, these are the people who work hard to get those, and they come out and sell out here very fresh. This is the Parari market. These are the fresh crabs from the dam. If you come on this way, you definitely get these crabs in your kitchen. This is the last lap. The dam wall is just behind me, and probably I will have to take a round trip now. There is no straight way to the dam, and I don't know whether we are allowed to go near to the dam, but let's see what happens. This is going to be the last stretch, and it's going to be uphill. It's going to be very difficult, but anyway, challenges are normally there in our life. We'll have to accept them and just go ahead. I have cut down almost all of the distance, found out the way to the dam, and we are almost near to it. Let me drink some water. Very much thirsty. After a lot of uphills and downhills, finally I am at the dam. Just look at the views. Beautiful. This is what we normally miss in our busy life. Let me see if I can get close to this dam, possibly, and explore a little more. Amazing views. Look at this area. So beautiful. The dam is full to its capacity, I think so. It is surrounded by so much of mountains, ultimately bringing down all those streams and getting collected at this dam wall. The river on which this dam has been built is called the Urmodi River. There is a great story behind the name of this river, and my village is right there. That is where I came from. That is the place, that plateau at the foothills of that particular mountain. My village is there. This is probably the most scenic view that I can bring to your notice without breaking any security or safety protocol. This particular place is prohibited to get closer, so we will not get close to the dam. We will enjoy its view from this point. The water is used for farming, probably maybe for even electricity generation, but this particular dam water has been a lifeline for people in this area as well as the southern region of this particular district. There is a story behind the name of this river on which the dam has been built, Urmodi. The Ur means chest. The chest, and Modi means the breaker. I heard from the people in the past, somewhere very long back ago when there was no dam, it was just a plain river flowing down the mountains. During the monsoon, the river was flowing to its full capacity. The current was very strong, and there was one person who wanted to cross it very long back when there were no roads, unpaved roads. There were no other means to get to the next village or get our things moved to the next village. So he took that challenge. Even the villagers told him not to cross it, but he took that challenge, and while crossing in the middle of the river, the strong current broke his chest, which is called as Ur in Marathi language. And since his chest was broken, it's ultimately the Urmodi. So that's why it is called as Urmodi. It's almost now the evening which is about to fall. Before the night falls, I will have to get back home. It was a very adventurous journey coming uphill, downhill. Most of them was the uphill, which was very strenuous. But anyway, when you reach such spot, all you just forget everything. What did I do here? Just came here, buried my all tensions and stress, just relaxed, and now just going back home. I hope you like this journey, and this is your Ravi now signing off, taking your leave. We will meet in the next episode of Explorer RN. Till then, goodbye, take care.